Today, satellite television, it is the largest, it is the biggest market in the world. And today in the world, there are 35,000 TV stations on which there are no less than 25,000 channels, covering 80% of the population, covering 6 billion people. And most of it, we have to agree, it is haram. Either music, either dance, either indecency, either obscenity. Most of it, it is haram. How many halal channels do we have? And even among the Islamic channels, most of them, they either consist of music, either consist of women coming on it without hijab for long time speeches. How many halal channels do we have? If we analyze, today in the world, there are 100 Islamic channels, out of which 75 of the channels, they are Arabic channels. Number 2 is Urdu, 10 channels in Urdu. Number 3 is English, maybe 3 channels in English. A few localized channels, a couple of channels in Malay, 1 channel in Bangla, a couple of Persian channels. Overall, 100 Islamic channels. You know, in USA alone, there are no less than 2,000 TV stations, out of which only 100 belong to Christian missionaries. This is in USA alone. If we count UK and the entire world, there are several hundred Christian missionary channels in several languages of the world. We Muslims, we are very backward as far as media is concerned. And as I mentioned earlier, the IT information technology, it is advancing very fast and is overtaking all the other medias. The media, it is maligning Islam through the internet. We Muslims, we need to use this internet to convey the message of Islam. And the IT information technology, soon it will overtake even the satellite television channels. So we Muslims, we should be well equipped in this IT information technology. And alhamdulillah, recently the Peace Mobile has been launched. It is the first Islamic mobile in the world. And it consists of 80 hours of Islamic lectures. And it also consists of no less than 200 Islamic ringtones. Most of the ringtones we hear on the mobile, they consist of music. Music is haram. So it consists of 200 Islamic ringtones. And a 32 GB SD card is included with 4 GB internal memory. And there's a 5 megapixel camera and a dual core processor.